Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is the cube root of x plus 2 times the cube root of x to the power of 2. This is equal to 3. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's provide a solution from here. Now, we have the cube root of x plus, now here is 2 multiplied by the cube root of x. Now this, we raise this to the power of 2. This is equal to 3. Now, since we have the cube root of x and the cube root of x here, we can let the cube root of x be equal to u. Substituting u into the equation, we have u plus 2 times u, so this is 2u. Then, remember this is u to the power of 2, so it's 2u to the power of 2. This is equal to 3. So let's take 3 on the left hand side so that we have u plus 2u squared minus 3. This is equal to 0. Let's rearrange this equation so that we have 2u squared plus u subtract 3. This is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation of the form au squared plus bu plus c. This is equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, we have that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and that c is equal to minus 3. Now to solve for u1, u2, we apply the quadratic formula, that's minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything here divided by 2 times a. So let's substitute the values of a, b, and c. So that here we have minus 1 plus or minus. We have the square root of. Now we have b squared, which is 1 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, then times c, which is minus 3. Everything here divided by 2 times a, which is 2. Now here we have minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared is 1. Then we have minus 4 times 2. This is minus 8 times minus 3. And this is equal to plus 24 divided by 2 times 2, which is 4. So therefore here we have minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 24 plus 1, this is 25, divided by 4. So this implies that here u1 is equal to minus 1. This is plus the square root of 25. This is 5 divided by 4. And we have that u2 is equal to minus 1 subtract. Now square root of 25. This is 5 subtract 5 divided by 4. So here we have u1 is equal to minus 1 plus 5. This is 4 over 4. And u2 we have minus 1. This is minus 6 over 4. So if we simplify here, we have that u1 is equal to 1. And u2 here, this is equal to, we can simplify by 2. 6 divided by 2, this is 3. 4 divided by 2, this is 2. So we have minus 3 over 2. And if you recall, we are saying that let the cube root of x be equal to u. So we can start with u1. We have the cube root of x. This is equal to 1. This is the same thing as x to the power of 1 over 3. This is equal to 1. So let's cube on both sides to solve for x. So that now the first value of x here, that is x1, is equal to 1. We have x1 equal to 1. Now, again here we have the cube root of x. This is equal to minus 3 over 2. So let's raise to the power of 3 on both sides, so that now we eliminate the cube root sign here, so that x2 is equal to minus 3 to the power of 3. This is minus 27 divided by 2 to the power of 3. This is 8. So this is x2. This is the value of x2. Now, the next step is to verify. So let's verify. Now, we have that the cube root of x plus 2 multiplying by the cube root of x to the power of 2, this should give us a value of 3. So let's start with x1, which is 1. So we have the cube root of 1 plus 2 multiplying by the cube root of 1 to the power of 2. This should give us a value of 3. So here we have the cube root of 1 is 1 plus 2 times the cube root of 1 squared is 1. So the cube root of 1 is 1 here. This should give us a value of 3. So 1 plus 2, this is 3, which is equal to 3. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that x1 here, which is 1, satisfies the equation. So let's check x2, which is minus 27 over 8. Now let's check x2, which is minus 27 over 8, if this satisfies the equation. Substituting this to this equation here, then we have the cube root of, here we have minus 27 over 8, then plus 2, multiplied by the cube root of minus 27 over 8 raised to the power of 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 3. Now, here we have that we can express this. Remember, if you have the cube roots of a, this is the same thing as a to the power of 1 over 3. So this implies that here we have minus 27 over 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3. And this implies that here 27 is the same thing as, this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3 divided by 8, which is 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of a third. And this can also be expressed as 3 over 2. This is minus 3 over 2 raised to the power of 3 times 1 over 3. So if you simplify here, basically we have minus 3 over 2, then plus 2, multiplying by, now here we have minus 27 over 8 raised to the power of 2, again raised to the power of 1 over 3. This should give us a value of 3. So we can express this as minus 3 over 2 plus 2 into the parentheses. This is minus 3 over, here we have 2, can simplify this as 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2, then again raised to the power of 1 over 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 3. Now again, as you can see, 3 and 3 here simplifies, so that now we have minus 3 over 2 plus 2 into the parentheses. This is minus 3 raised to the power of 2, and this is equal to 9. And then 2 to the power of 2, this is 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 3. Let's simplify here. 2, that is 4 divided by 2, this is 2. So we have minus 3 over 2 plus 9 over 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 3. So we have the LCM here is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 times minus 3. This is minus 3. Then plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 9. This is 9. And this should give us a value of 3. So it's clear that minus 3 plus 9, this is equal to 6 over 2. If you simplify here, this is equal to 3. And this is equal to 3. So the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And this implies that x2 here, which is equal to minus 27 over 8, also satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.